Namaste und Hallo. In diesem Video lernen wir sowohl die Konjugationen von unregelmäßigen Verben als auch die Satzstruktur. So in this video we'll learn the conjugations of irregular verbs and also the sentence formation. आज हम सीखेंगे conjugations irregular verbs की and sentence formation. So let's begin. Los geht's.
Konjugationen von unregelmäßigen Verben. Zwei Typen von Verben. Regelmäßige, regular, unregelmäßige, irregular. This has been done in lesson number 9. This we are going to do today, lesson number 10. Okay. So the first verb here is helfen, to help. We have 3 columns here. And if you have seen lesson number 9, right? You will notice the columns are same. First one is Personalpronomen, personal pronouns. Second one is the verb that we talk about. Third is Verbendungen, verb endings, right? If you haven't seen lesson number 9, please check it out. Okay, here's the eye icon. You can just click on it and see lesson number 9. All right, let's come back to this. So helfen, to help. This is irregular verb, a strong verb. Regular verbs are weak. Irregular verbs are strong. Okay, so let's see. For do and SES, it has been highlighted here because there's a change. If you notice here, E has been replaced with I, right? So the vowel has been changed. Ich helfe, du hilfst. Sie helfen, SES hilft. Okay, wir helfen, ihr helft, sie helfen, sie helfen, right? Verb endings are the same for regular and irregular verbs. They are same here, but for do and SES, you need to be careful when it's irregular verb because there will be changes. Either the vowel will be changing or umlauts will be coming, IE will become EI, right? So there will be changes. That's why they are called strong verbs. Let's see an example. Beispiel, ich helfe Herr Narula. Nachname, last name, I help Mr. Narula, right? So you can frame any sentence with this verb helfen or any question. Let's see the next verb. Okay, someone's sleeping here. Verb is schlafen. Ich schlafe, du schläfst. So it's not schlafst. Umlauts. There are umlauts on A, right? So du schläfst. Sie schlafen. SES schläft. Wir schlafen. Ihr schlaft. Sie schlafen. Sie schlafen. So same thing happening here for do and SES. There is a change like umlauts. And for ear, there is no change, right? So just keep in your mind for ear, if it's a regular or irregular verb, and the other verbs that you will learn, for example, the helping verbs, you will see that ear always have a form that has resemblance to the actual form. So schlaf, if you remove en, schlaf, you get it here and you just add t. Let's see an example now. Beispiel. Schläft 8 Stunden jeden Tag. He sleeps 8 hours every day, jeden Tag. Okay, you can make other sentences or questions also based on it. Now we have few basic irregular verbs: fahren, nehmen, geben, lesen, vergessen, sehen, essen, tragen, sprechen, SP. Okay, so SP is sp sound. Sprechen, treffen, waschen. Okay, so try to write the conjugations. I know it will not be easy because for irregular verbs, you know the verb endings, but you do not know what change will be there, umlauts or what will change, what will be the change. So do not worry about that. Stay tuned. You will be getting answers very soon. Now we have an exercise at the end of this lesson where we learned how to conjugate irregular verbs, how they are different from the regular verbs. So you have 5 statements here. try to translate them, and write the answers in the comment section.
Ich hoffe, Sie haben gut gelernt. I hope you have learned well. Don't forget to check out frequently updated Instagram and Facebook pages. Links are in the description below. Keep learning, stay blessed, namaste, and cheers.